everybody. Welcome to the ICT Grade 8 learning session on Spreadsheet. Today we're going to learn how to sort data in Excel 2016. This video lesson will cover what sorting in Excel means, why is sorting done in Excel, how to sort data in Excel 2016. You will also watch a demonstration on how to sort data in Excel 2016. This will be followed by a quick test, and finally the lesson will end up with a recap. Let us start the lesson by understanding what sorting data in Excel means. Sorting means to arrange data in a particular order, which could be ascending or descending order. For example, sorting a list of names of students alphabetically or marks from the highest to the lowest order. Here we can notice a list of students with their names not sorted. After sorting takes place, we can see the same list sorted alphabetically in ascending order. Moving on to why is sorting done in Excel. When a worksheet contains a lot of data, it takes a lot of time to look for the required information. Therefore, sorting of data is done to organize and find data that is needed quickly, to identify trends and patterns to help in making decisions. For today's lesson, we are going to learn how to sort data from a worksheet containing student details. As an example, we're going to sort the list of first names alphabetically in ascending order. First, open an existing worksheet from which data will be sorted. As you can see, there are 4 columns of data with specific headings like student ID, first name, surname, and marks. As mentioned earlier, we're going to sort the first names of students in ascending order. Therefore, we are concerned with first name column. The next step is to select the range of data to be sorted. Here, from A1 to D8. Select Data tab and click on Sort command in the Sort and Filter group. The Sort dialog box appears. Choose the column to sort by, in this example by first name, and decide on the sorting order, that is from A to Z order. Click OK button after the selection. The cell range will be sorted by the selected column. The names are sorted alphabetically in ascending order. Notice that the other columns in the worksheet are also sorted. You have just learned how data is sorted. Now, let us watch a demonstration showing the same. First, open an existing worksheet from which data will be sorted. As you can see, there are 4 columns of data with specific headings, like student ID, first name, surname, and marks. As mentioned earlier, we're going to sort the first names of students in ascending order. Therefore, we are concerned with first name column. First, select the range of data to be sorted, here from A1 to D8. Select Data tab and click on Sort command in the Sort and Filter group. The Sort dialog box appears. Choose the column to sort by. In this example, we choose first names column and decide on the sorting order, that is from A to Z order. Click OK button after the selection. As you can notice, the names are sorted alphabetically in ascending order. Notice that the other columns in the worksheet are also sorted. This is the end of the demonstration. Now students, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned in today's lesson. Read the questions carefully. You will have a few seconds to answer. The first question. A range of cells need to be selected before sorting is done. Is it true or false? It is indeed true, as data in cells should be selected first, usually based on certain conditions before sorting is done. Second question. Data can be sorted in ascending order only. Is it true or false? It is false, as data can be sorted both in ascending or descending order. Next question. Which icon represents the sort command in descending order? Is it A or B or C? The answer is B, as the option B represents sorting in descending order, that is from Z to A. Last question. Which column has been selected to sort data numerically from highest to lowest? Is it A, student name, B, subject, or C, marks? The answer is C, because the marks column contains data in numerical form sorted from highest to lowest value. Well, this is the end of our quick test. I hope you have been able to get all the correct answers. Now it's time for a recap of today's lesson. Sorting means to organize data in a predefined order. Sorting of data is done to organize data quickly and to help in decision making. The sort command is used to sort data. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. It's goodbye from me and see you soon.